nice, simple one today. I'm going to make a coleslaw. Really good recipe for the spring and summer. And it's amazing how you can get quite a few meals out of a coleslaw using it different ways. So I'm going to share that with you too. So the simplest coleslaw possible when you're on a detox. Just the 3 ingredients: carrots, onions, and cabbage. You can use a bit of cheese if you're doing a herbal slim. Just a little bit of grated cheese to make it taste good. But during your detox, just these 3 ingredients. And so with the cabbage, we'll just take the outer leaves off. I'm going to use half a cabbage for this recipe. And just slice it into chunks. And then we'll do the same with the onions so that they can go through the food processor and be diced up. So we'll put those through on a reasonably coarse setting to chop it into the cabbage into chunks. And then we'll put the shredding blade on for the carrots. I use a coarse shredding setting for the carrots. You want these to be reasonably chunky and crunchy. And then the finest possible slicing setting for the onions, so you get them down as fine as possible. Alright, so that's all the ingredients basically chopped. And then all we've got to do is put these together into the bowl and combine them. And you will find that no matter how big your bowl is, it's never big enough to stop these ingredients falling over the sides when you mix it. So we'll just give this a good blend. And that's pretty much it. You've got your base coleslaw. But this is what I call a multi-purpose coleslaw, so you can prepare it in different ways. And today what I'm doing is putting an avocado and some beetroot and some homemade aioli over this. But you can do this in multiple different ways, and this is what I recommend doing: making a good sized coleslaw like this and then having it for maybe 3 days, maybe even 4 days, depending on your servings, and putting it with different toppings. So this becomes actually a fantastic detox meal, standalone detox meal on its own. So today we're doing it with avocado, beetroot and the aioli. But other things you can do is you can add pickles or olives. And I'm actually going to put some sun-dried tomatoes on here too, right at the end, just to make this nice. And the homemade aioli recipe, I'll drop a link in for that as well. But that's really just some yogurt, lemon juice, olive oil, a little bit of vinegar. You just whip that up with crushed garlic. And it's the more crushed garlic you put in it, the better it tastes. So it's a fantastic way to get a nice natural dressing when you're on your detox. So there you go. Enjoy. Multi-meal, multi-purpose coleslaw. Fantastic.